This is Nathan, and I am bringing you part 4 of the FPS tutorial. So, remember to visit my site if you liked my previous tutorials and this tutorial, and make sure to look forward to the tutorials to come. So, let's get started. So, in the last tutorial, we made our knockback for the gun, the animation. So, now we need to add the start in the game logic. So we're going to add a IPO actuator. We're going to call it play underscore recoil. We're going to set this to loop stop. We're going to start, or at least mine starts at 0 and ends at 1. Or mine starts at 1 and ends at 2. But yeah, just set those values to what you did with your thing, but it should be a relatively small number, or yeah. So we're going to add our controller. It's going to be a Python controller, and then we're going to add a mouse sensor, make it the left button, check the ... call it fire, and we're going to connect both of these. Now we need to add we need to add a new script. So we're going to go to add new. We're going to call this bullet.py and then fill it in here. Okay, so now we can start coding it. So cont equals game logic dot get current controller. Now we can define our sensors. And in this case, we only have one for right now. So fired equals cont.get sensor fire dot is positive. Okay, so now we can define our actuator, which is going to be called recoil equals cont.get actuator play underscore recoil. Okay, so now we can just define our event. So if fired we need to add one more variable, or some variables actually, and this is going to be called is firing equals false. Okay, so if fired, then is firing equals true. Now we need to put this into place. So game logic dot add active actuator recoil, and then we type is firing in there, and the last, or no. So now we can try it out. So and it works. So now we've got our basic gameplay there, and so now we can actually start having things being hit. So we're going to incorporate clips and ammo in here. So we're going to add an int property, call it ammo, and set it to however much ammo you want. So I'm going to set mine to 200. I'm going to set it to debug, and then now we're going to add a clips, and then we are going to have, I'm going to say 3 clips. And now we need to add another sensor. I'm going to call it reload. Going to put it as the R key. You can do that key as whatever you want, but that's what I'm doing. And there we go. So now we need to add that extra sensor in here. So reload equals const.get sensor reload.is positive. Okay, now we're going to get our variables. So ammo equals get attr, which is Python code for get attribute, and we're going to set the first thing as the object, so we need to do const.get owner in that first one, then we do a comma, and then we type in ammo. This is going to get the ammo property and its value. So now we get clips doing the same way. So ammo clips equals get attribute const.get owner and then clips. Okay, so now we can set these variables. So if fired, and now we need to make sure that we have ammo, and then if get if ammo is greater than 0, then we can fire. So this is to make sure we have clips. And now is firing. Okay, and now we need to set ammo to -1. So we're going to go set attr, which is set attribute, const.get owner ammo, and then we're going to set it to ammo -1. Okay, so now we're gonna, if we don't have ammo, then we are going to automatically reload. So set attr, we're gonna set our clips to -1. If we need to see if we still have clips left. If clips is greater than 0, then set attribute const.get owner clips and this is going to be clips -1. So I've got that, and then we're going to set our ammo to back to 200 again. So set attr const.get owner ammo. We're going to set it to 200. So now we've got that. So I'm going to go to game and show debug properties. So now it's working. Our ammo is going down, and as soon as this reaches 0, our clips go down and such. So now we just need to add our reload. So if reload, and we're just going to copy and paste this code right here. And we'll try that now. Whoops. And our reload works too now. So thanks for watching. That's it for this part of the tutorial, and I hope you liked it. Thank you.